Bulgaria is a country located in the southeastern part of Europe. It is the 14th largest country in Europe. The capital and largest city is Sofia. The population of Bulgaria is over 7 million people. The history of Bulgaria spans thousands of years and has a rich and diverse culture. From the time of the ancient Greeks, from the rule of the Ottoman Empire, to the communist period, Bulgaria has seen many changes. Today, the country is a democracy and member state of the European Union. Bulgaria is a charming and beautiful country to visit. It has many different places to see and things to do, with its stunning mountains and picturesque villages, lovely Black Sea coast and its rich history. Bulgaria is a perfect travel destination for all kinds of travelers, from exploring the Thracian tombs to hiking in the Rila Mountains. There is something for everyone in this Balkan country. Bulgaria is a country that is rich in traditions. Many of these traditions date back to the time when the country was first established. For example, one of the most popular traditions in Bulgaria is the Martinitsa. This tradition is held on the first day of spring, and it is believed to bring good luck and health to the person who wears it.